my video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups by the site totaldailyposts.com. Totaldailyposts.com is a malicious site because it tries to mislead users and to make them click on a special allow button, supposedly to help users prove that they are humans and not robots. However, clicking on allow is definitely a very serious mistake because this would hijack the browser with plenty of really intrusive advertisements. Some of them you can already see displayed. So to deactivate them, access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, click on Notifications, and now you need to remove all these junk sites from the list. There may be several of them, by the way, so make sure you get rid of all these junk sites attacking your screen. Carefully, one by one, get rid of them. We also recommend that you carefully examine this system with Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.